So in this video I'm going to show you different ways to add users to Intune. You can use the M365 Admin Center, you can use Microsoft Endpoint Manager Admin Center, or third, you can connect your on-prem Active Directory to Azure Active Directory. So first we'll go to the M365 Admin Center and you'll click down here on the Azure Active Directory blade. Once there, you click on the users blade and you'll see the users off to the right. Second, we'll go to the Endpoint Manager Admin Center, endpoint.microsoft.com, and again go down to the users blade, click on that, and you'll see the same exact users we saw previously in the M365 Admin Center. Lastly, we'll go back to M365 Admin Center. We'll click on the Azure Active Directory blade. And you'll notice over here the Azure AD Connect. We'll set that up at a later video. There's another way to connect to your on-prem Active Directory. Go back to the Admin Center Users blade. We'll add a user here by clicking the New User button up above. Go ahead and give it a username. Also fill in the name field. And of course we'll create a password for this. This next field, usage location, we should fill in as well. I found out in troubleshooting it's always best to fill in your location, in this case United States. And then we'll click the create button. As you can see, the user was created. Go ahead and create another user, Win10 user 02, and fill in the fields we filled out previously, password and usage location. You can see both users were created. Next we'll create a group. Click the new group button. Leave it a security group type. We'll call this Win10 users. And we're going to assign the two users we just created to this group. Clicking over here, doing a search for Win10, there they are. We'll select each one of them as they appear. We'll click the select button, and now you can see these two members are now part of this newly created security group. Now that we've created those users and the group, we're going to add licenses to those particular users. So we're going to go back to the users blade, click on a user. All over here to the left on the licenses blade, we'll click that, and we'll see any licenses assigned to these users. Looks like there's none, so we're going to assign a license, in this case Intune. We'll check that box. From the drop down we'll select Intune, and then we'll click the save button. Going back to the users, we'll hit the refresh button. Now you can see that the assignment of Intune license is assigned to this users. We'll do the same to the second user. Same exact process. Click the assignments, drop in the Intune license, and assign it to this users. I'll drop a link in the description to this information. If you learned something from this, please consider giving it a thumbs up, as well as subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. See you on the next one.